Romania is entering a new era of military modernization. The country is significantly bolstering its defense capabilities. This comes in response to evolving security challenges in the region. At the heart of this transformation is a landmark $934 million deal. Romania has signed a substantial contract with Otokar, a Turkish defense company. This deal centers around the acquisition of 1,059 COBRA II armored vehicles. These vehicles will be manufactured in Romania. This deal represents a significant investment in Romania's national security. The COBRA II is a state-of-the-art armored vehicle. Designed for a variety of combat scenarios, this vehicle boasts impressive technical specifications. The COBRA II is highly mobile, capable of reaching speeds up to 65 miles per hour. It can accommodate up to 10 personnel, including the driver and commander. The vehicle's modular design allows for a wide range of configurations, adapting to various mission requirements. Section 4. Strengthening ties. The Romanian-Turkish Partnership. This agreement signifies more than just an arms deal. It underscores the growing strategic partnership between Romania and Turkey. Both nations are NATO members. They face similar security concerns, particularly in the Black Sea region. This collaboration extends beyond defense, encompassing economic and technological cooperation. Section 5. Strategic implications for Romania and beyond. The acquisition of the COBRA II carries significant strategic weight for Romania and the wider region. It enhances Romania's deterrence capabilities, sending a clear message of its commitment to national and regional security. The COBRA II's advanced capabilities will bolster NATO's presence in southeastern Europe. COBRA II's impact on Romanian defense. The arrival of the COBRA II marks a turning point for Romania's defense posture. This acquisition equips the Romanian armed forces with a modern, versatile and powerful asset. It underlines Romania's commitment to safeguarding its sovereignty and contributing to regional stability alongside its allies. The COBRA II is set to become a cornerstone of Romania's defense strategy for years to come.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.